In the shadow of the Zagros, where the mountains touch the sky, whispers of an ancient song like a river running dry. Dusty trails and caravans underneath the crescent moon, echoes of Kurdistan where the flowers rarely bloom. From the town of Ahmed to the plains of Sulaimania, stories told by firelight, written in the earth's masjia. Silence broken by the wind, the melody of time, ballads of the people's heart, etched in mountain rhyme. Oh, the tales of Kurdistan, sung with every breath of land, through the piper's flute and storyteller's hand. In the hills and valleys wide, where the warriors did reside, echoes sing of freedom's stride in Kurdistan's tide. Cerulean skies meet emerald plains, where angels whisper songs, dervishes and warriors dancing under palm. A tapestry of history in the heart of every man, songs of love and battles fought in the soul of Kurdistan. In the markets of Erbil, children chase the fleeting light, laughter mingles with the cries of old men in the night. Lanterns swinging in the breeze, casting shadows long, echoes of the Kurdish land in every fleeting song. Oh, the tales of Kurdistan, sung with every breath of land, through the piper's flute and storyteller's hand. In the hills and valleys wide, where the warriors did reside, echoes sing of freedom's stride in Kurdistan's tide. The tales of Kurdistan, sung with every breath of land, through the piper's flute and storyteller's hand. In the hills and valleys wide, where the warriors did reside, echoes sing of freedom's stride in Kurdistan's tide. Cerulean skies meet emerald plains, where angels whisper songs, dervishes and warriors dancing under palms. A tapestry of history in the heart of every man, songs of love and battles fought in the soul of Kurdistan. In the markets of Erbil, children chase the fleeting light, laughter mingles with the cries of old men in the night. Lanterns swinging in the breeze, casting shadows long, echoes of the Kurdish land in every fleeting song.